Okay, I encountered pen problems, so I've rewritten on number 20. And what I want to do is pick up where we left off. We had found the complement of x, the complement of y, and we want the union of the two. So we get b, d, e, f, and g. Now we want to form the union of that with z. So we're combining these two, and z, let me double check, okay, stops with F. So we want to form the union. That would be B, C, D, E, F, and G. Okay, and let's do one more from this group. Let's do number 28. In 28 we have y complement minus x. So we want to take our y complement that we found here and subtract anything we find in x from it. So in x we find a, c, e, and g, so we're going to have to get rid of those two. That leaves us with d and f. Okay, now let's take a look at page 66, and we'll take a look at some true-false statements, starting with number 64. So you can see I've skipped over a big group of them. 10-4, the order pair 10-4 is equal to the order pair 7 plus 3, 5 minus 1. That one is true. 68, the set containing 2 and 13 is equal to the set containing 13 and 2. That will be true. Alright, let's do 72. The set A contains 3, 6, 9, and 12. Set B contains 6 and 8, and we're to find the Cartesian product A cross B and B cross A. So A contains 3, 6, 9, and 12. B contains 4 and 9. So when we do A cross B, we want to match 3 with each of the elements in B. So 3, 4, and 3, 9. Then we want to do 6, 4, and 6, 9. Third element in A is 9, and that's going to give us 9, 4, and 9, 9. And then 12, 4, our last element from A, and 12, 9. B cross A, I'm going to run out of room. B cross A is going to start with the elements in set B, so we'd have 4, 3, 4, 6, 4, 9, 4, 12, 4, okay, that's it. So then we go to 9, 3, it's a 9, still doesn't look like a 9, 9, 3, 9, 6, 9, 9, and 9, 12. So that's our set of ordered pairs for B cross A. Okay. 70. Let's see, 76, we're supposed to find the number. We're supposed to look back at exercise 73. A contains 3 elements, B contains 3 elements, and so we're to find the number in A cross B and the number in B cross A. So it's going to be 3 times 3 in both cases. 3 elements in each A and B, and the number in B cross A also will be 9. Okay. Now in 82, we're supposed to place the elements in the correct location in the Venn diagram. So let me go to a new page where I have room to draw my Venn diagram. Here's the universal set. And we want to start with set A and set B. Alright, as we look at the two sets, what we want to start with is where sets A and B overlap. We want to start from the area of most overlap and work outward. So we need to figure out what A intersect B will contain. Universal set is A through G again. So we want to begin on our Venn diagram putting the elements in A intersect B in the intersection of the two sets. So I notice that B is common, D is common, and G. So B, D, and G. B, D, and G. Now, what else goes in set A? Well, I didn't highlight F, so that needs to go in there. And in B, I should have A and E. Alright, so now, let me get a different color highlighter. Alright, I want to eliminate everything I have. I have an A. I have a B. I don't have a C. I have a D. I have an E. I have an F. And I have a G. So what that means is that C is the only element that goes out in the outside the two circles in what is just the universal set. Alright, let's next one is we want to shade the area in question, and let's do number 90 for that one. Again, we're working with two sets. Now, what I like to do for these is number the regions, and then A, let's see, we're doing number 90, A intersect B complement. So what we want to do is list the regions found in A. A, let me outline it in the blue. A contains 1 and 2. B complement, that's everything that's outside of B. So what's outside of B? Here's B. I'm going to circle it in green. What's outside of B? We see 1 and 4. Now we want to intersect the two. What region do they have in common? They both contain a 1. So our answer is region 1. That means we want to shade region 1. And I'm just going to shade it here with the light blue. And let me erase the other light blue I have on here. Erased everything. Okay, so our answer is the region shaded in the light blue. So that's A intersect the complement of B. Okay, now let's take a look